Hello everyone. My name is Genie. Today me and Merlin are going to destroy the fridge.
Me too.
Let's start. Smash. Smash. We did it. We destroyed the fridge.
I agree.
Woo! Oh no, Bonzi and Peedy are coming. We gotta run right now.
I agree.
Oh man, we are very hungry. I agree, Bonzi. I have to eat crackers from a cupboard. And I have to eat bananas from a fridge. Woo! Oh my god, our fridge is broken. Who did this? It's caused by Merlin and Genie. Merlin and Genie, come here.
What, Bonzi and Peedy?
I think we're in trouble.
Genie and Merlin, did you just destroy our fridge with a hammer?
Yes, we did.
I agree.
Did you know that Merlin and Genie destroyed your microwave? Yes, both did.
We are sorry.
Also, we are very sorry about what we did. Sorry. You both are not sorry. And how dare you destroy our fridge? Our fridge costed $157. That's it. You both are now grounded for 100 years. Go to your rooms right now, or else we will give you a punishment day.
Okay. Okay.
Hey, Peedy, I ordered a new... What? You ordered a new fridge? Yes, the truck will deliver a fridge soon enough, but it costs $157, so the truck delivers it. Okay, then our new fridge will be a brand new fridge. Okay.